and welcome back to my channel. So, for this vlog, I will fill you in or papakita ko sa inyo kung anong ginagawa ko during my rest day. And as you can see, medyo magulo na yung gamit. Magulo yung room kasi may dumating na mga stuffs for me yesterday. At the same time, may mga dumating na for posting, ganyan. So, medyo makalat. So, ito, yung window, I opened this in the morning kasi para magkaroon ako ng fresh air dito. So, ginagawa ko, nagpapatay ako ng aircon and then I opened that. Ito, kaya siya nakasabit na ganyan kasi temporary lang yan. Join me sa vlog na to. Sana hindi kayo mabore and I hope you find it interesting kung ano bang ginagawa ng mga artista during their rest days sa isang lock-in taping. Okay, so this is what I do in the morning. Syempre, pagkagising, una kong ginagawa is I drink tea and usually I have my psyllium husk but then I decided not to drink muna today. So ito, supposedly, lulutuin ko siya last night for ice. Kaya lang, nag-order siya ng food so hindi ko na nagawa. This one, lilinisin ko yan kasi nag-bonding kami sa taas, sa roof deck kasama ni Miss Am at si Lucho. So, hindi ko na siya na sobrang antok ko, hindi ko na siya na hugasan kagabi. Right now, nag-air fry ako ng breakfast. So, I'm having sausage. So, there's the air fryer. And then this is my mini rice cooker. So, diba? Pink na pink. Kung may yellow, syempre yellow yan because yellow is my lucky color. So, ayan. So, I'm having breakfast and then kahapon, naglaba na ako. So, ang gagawin ko na lang ngayon is patutuyuin ko yung linabhan ko kahapon. Kasi syempre, pag naglaba ka, patutuluin mo muna siya eh. Inano mo na siya, piniga mo na siya, kailangan mo siyang patuluin. So, andito siya sa bathroom. Yan o. So, wala masyadong hanger. So, ayan. So, nakasabit siya sa ganyan. So, patutuyuin ko siya later and I will show you kung ano naman yung gamit ko for that one. So, now, dahil habang inaantay ko to at tapos na kami mag-vlog ni Ice, ay aayusin ko muna ang aking kama. Next thing I usually do is call sa baba, tapos papapalit ako ng mga towels. Hi, Kuya. Good morning. Kuya, pa-change naman po ako ng towels. Dalawang bath towels, tsaka dalawang hand towels. Thank you. So, I'm going to fold this. Ayan, so I fold my towels. Ayan, I give it to them. There you go. So, syempre, magmamask ako. Kasi, to be safe lang. Kahit naka-RT-PCR sila. And naka-bubble din sila like us. Syempre, safety protocols yan ng Napa Group. So, kailangan naka-mask. And then after this, I'll have the trash can change. I think mag-chill lang muna ako. Gonna play some music. Well, it's Monday right now. So, my kids are in class. So, mamaya ako makakausap yun. Basically, that's it. Mamaya maliligo na rin ako. Siguro, bago ko pauwi yung treadmill ko sa bahay, kasi inisip ko, pauwi ko na siya, mag-workout muna ako sa gilid mamaya. So, samahan niyo ako ha. Tapos, usually, I light up my candle. So, I got this from Jo Malone. This is the Lilac, Lavender, and Lavage. Candles are very important for me kasi ano siya eh, it helps me relax. Tapos, pag medyo nag-a-anxiety na ako, yung nakakaamoy ako ng something refreshing, relaxing. Like ako, lavender is my favorite scent. So, I make sure that I light this up every day para umumoy yung buong room and then pag okay na, I'm gonna turn it off na. Alright, so dumating na yung fresh towel. And I asked for bedroom slippers. Yan, kasi hindi ako nagpapasok ng slippers dito sa loob. Let's talk about yung lock-in. Actually, may mga siya, pros and cons siya. Like, kung iisipin mo, dati, medyo matagal bago makatapos ng isang buong teleserye. Pero ngayon, dahil everyone's in one place, it's easy. Kasi, kumbaga, pag may call kami today, then we go. Pag tomorrow, wala, then it's a rest day. So, meron kaming official rest days and official non-working days. So, ang rest days namin is actually meet twice a week. That's every Mondays and Fridays. Nung una, Mondays and Thursdays. On rest days, so ito yung ginagawa ko. I'm not sure if everyone does it. I'm not sure kung ba naglalaba or nagpapalaundry na lang sila. But then ako, this is my usual routine. So, going back to the perks of shooting, mas madali ngayon. Kasi can you imagine, in 2 lock-ins, kayang-kaya niya tumapos ng buong serye. Yung sad part lang doon is, syempre, like ako, I have kids. So, last night, I told them na na-extend ako for 1 more week. Umiyak na yung bunso ko, si Mateo. He cried na bad mood na. Tapos binabaan na ako ng... Of course, there's an impact, no? For me, syempre, I get the feeling na mommy ako, bakit wala ako? But then again, of course, you have work. Basically, yun nga pinag-usapan namin kagabi na the reason why I'm working this hard now is secure their future. Kumbaga, hindi naman na to talaga for me. It's for my kids already. Dadating ka sa point na pag naka-lock-in ka, malulungkot ka kasi namimiss mo yung kids mo, mamimiss mo yung bahay mo, mamimiss mo yung kwarto mo, yung kama mo. Minsan, syempre, you get bored sa house. Sabi mo, I'm bored in the house. Boring. Pero pag ganitong malayo ka, doon mo ma-appreciate naman yung bahay mo. Alam mo yun, doon mo ma-appreciate, oh gosh, sana nasa bahay ako, sana ganito ako, sana ganyan ako. Of course, we have our angels. Actually, I call them my angels, yung mga helpers namin sa house. We have that, but of course, syempre dito sa lock-in, bawal kami magdala ng PAs namin. So, kasi limited lang talaga yung number of people na pwede. Kasi nga, syempre, pinag-iingatan pa rin kahit medyo hindi na ganun katapang yung variant ng COVID. As for that naman, ako kasi, at the age of 25, I started living alone already. So, I lived in a condo, I didn't have a maid, I only have a cleaner coming in every now and then. Tapos, my mom would often visit. Ako talaga gumagawa ng lahat. Ako naghuhugas. Pag may days na hindi pwede yung cleaner, ako maglilinis. So, basically, sanay na sanay talaga ako sa gawaing bahay. Though, syempre, it doesn't seem like I am. Pero, here, you know, I wash my own clothes, I wash my own underwear. Dito, let's say, no, ako yung artist na hindi pa marunong gumawa ng lahat ng yun. Since naka-lock-in ka, you will learn how to do those things on your own. You will learn how to be organized. You will learn how to be responsible. Hindi naman yung... Not that I'm saying I'm not responsible. Not that I'm saying that other people are not responsible. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, you will be more responsible. And madami kang matututunan about yourself na uy, kaya ko palang gawin to. Uy, kaya ko palang gawin. Chill muna ako. I'm thinking if I'm going to cook steak for lunch. Since meron akong steak, or if I'm just gonna have ramen, or if I'm gonna order. Siguro mamaya, yun na nga, workout, upload on social media, check my accounts, and maya-maya, tawag yung mga kids. So basically, pag rest day, ganito talaga yung, or pag di ako nag-work, ganito yung nangyari. I hardly go out and mingle kasi syempre bawal din. Hindi naman bawal. It's more of, pwede naman, pero you can't stay out for too long. So, ako, ginagawa ko, I find things to do na lang. Either sa room, I read a book, or I do sound trip, ganyan. So, yes, that's it. And niisip ko, mag-aayos na rin ako ng gamit kasi malapit na rin naman ako umexit. So, for breakfast today, I don't want to eat anything heavy kasi ano na rin, it's 10:30. Magla-lunch na rin. So, I just decided to have dalawang sausage and then bread. This is my favorite bread, yung bacon and mayo na mini loaf. It's super good. Discover ko lang yan sa SM. Isip pa ako kung anong lunch ko today. So, see? There you go. Again, huwag niyo akong tawanan kasi wala akong dalang plate. Ayan. Ooh, so juicy. So, guys, kain! So, ayan. Finish na tayo mag-breakfast. And of course, you have to drink your vitamins. Every morning, I make sure that I drink my Mossview Collagen Plus. And of course, the Mossview Placenta White Advanced. Para sa mga nagtatanong bakit lagi akong fresh. Thank you, Mossview. Make sure I return the plastic para hindi siya sabog. So, I usually take 1 or 2 since I still have the collagen. So, pag haggard ako, or feeling ko haggard ako, I'll take 2 tablets. But when I'm fine naman, pag di ako puyat, I only take 1. Yan, after I eat, check ko kung ano ba yung mga kailangan ko pang gawin. Like, eto, kailangan ko siyang hugasan ulit kasi yun yung pinagkainan ko. And then, maya-maya magda-dryer tayo. Yan. So, ito ang ating dryer. Very happy kasi kaya niyang tumuyo ng damit in 2 hours. So, set up natin yan. So, pwede ka maglagay ng 3 ganito sa loob. Pero, sa akin 2 lang. Kasi yung napadala nila is hindi match yung rods no? Isa. Actually, nalagay ko siya sa magkabilaan para yung weight ng isasampay mo is sakto lang. So now, dadaling ko to sa banyo dahil dun tayo mag-dryer. Okay, so kukunin natin yung mga shirts na inano ko kahapon. Pinatulo. Tapos, nalagay na natin siya dito. Baka nagtataka kayo, may laundry services tong hotel na to. Pero, kailangan minimum siya ng 2 kilos. So, since a few pieces lang naman to, dahil nagpa-laundry ako the other day, I felt like hindi siya abot. So, ako na lang yung maglalaba. Rather than ma-charge ako ng 120 for ilang peraso lang. Yan. So, konti lang. Hindi talaga abot ng 2 kilos yan. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan lang yung nakahanger sa loob. So, zipper na natin. And this thing on the floor, we will turn it on. And, you know, maangat na siya. So, natatrap dito yung warm air. So, ayan guys, finish na ako mag-workout. Sobrang pawis ako. Hindi ko alam kung kita ninyo. 5,000 steps total. And that's around 4 kilometers. So, ayan. I'm very happy. Dala ko yung portable treadmill ko. Kasi ano siya talaga. Ito yung treadmill. Hindi siya walking pad. So, ayan. So, I'll just freshen up and tignan natin kung ano pang pwedeng magawa today. But so far, I hope you're enjoying this vlog.